years, IT organizations were operating within a model where employees were commuting into an office, working behind a firewall, using company-provisioned PCs, and connecting to on-prem data centers. Security was established all within their own bubble. Shifting to a hybrid model, where the user experience must be the same whether working from home or the office, caused that bubble to burst. IT leaders had to scramble to keep employees and contractors productive from wherever they needed to work, while also overcoming additional challenges, such as how do they get employees up and running fast when it takes weeks or months to provision new PCs? What is the impact on security if everyone is working remotely? Is the PC hardware configured for best overall application performance and user productivity? Meanwhile, remote users connecting to the office over VPN connections grow more and more frustrated with poor connectivity, slow downloads, and ineffective collaboration tools. Although challenging, these times have also created opportunity. With the right SaaS platform for cloud PCs, IT leaders are taking their manufacturing organizations into the future by modernizing end-user computing with a public cloud. Now, IT leaders can spin up cloud desktops and GPU-accelerated workstations anywhere in the world in minutes and experience unprecedented agility. And users can access them securely from any device, while experiencing performance similar to those expensive physical workstations. Since no data ever resides on the user's device, companies gain better security with IT managers patching and managing Windows 10 and 11 images centrally, all while keeping proprietary information safe. And with a wide range of cloud desktop configurations to choose from, IT can now give their product design and manufacturing teams the ability to collaborate no matter where they are, while provisioning just the right computing resources and application versions to each user. By moving project folders in the cloud alongside the cloud workstations, reading and writing massive design files has never been faster. With cloud workstations, hiring and retaining the best talent globally and getting them productive immediately becomes a reality. Better security, more agility, improved collaboration and productivity. With all these advantages, why wouldn't you move to the cloud?